This is the Cuisinart that I ordered. It came with one rack, no drip tray. I don't understand how it's an air fryer with no drip tray. Are they wanting me to create a fire in my kitchen? This is the book that came with it. There's no rack, no basket, no drip tray. It's missing. I checked online. They are very pricey. I am very upset with my purchase. I will be returning this.
Just bought this today. It arrived, but to me, it seems been used. Oil marks in the back here.
This gets used quite a bit. I love the air fry feature. It's got a good size. Got to be clean, but it's got a good size in there with the cage out.